Hello. As the Project Zero of web programming with Python and JavaScript requires us to make a screencast, this is the following for my project. I'm going to be showing a small demo of the same. So let's just move on. These are the basic HTML files and the CSS files related to the same pages and some images that I've inserted. So I'll just show you how the web application works first. So index is our starting point or the entry point for the web application. So once I double click on it, as we can see, a personalized web page has opened, and as per the requirements, there are 4 links on the top, divided into 4 columns of equal length. These 4 columns are created using the Bootstrap's layout of grid model, and as you can see, every time I click on any link, it transports me to that particular home page or to the academic, professional, or extracurricular page, and they are accessible from all the pages, so you can navigate from one to the other easily. Secondly, going from page to page on the home page, as per the requirements, I have shown the few points which were necessary, like the insertion of an image on the right and the insertion of a background image and basic styling for the text, stuff like that. I've also included a unordered list over here, and inside that unordered list I've included an ordered list. And as you can see, the ordered list itself on ways to contact me includes links. So for instance, if I click on the second link of Facebook, it will redirect me to an outside link. This was just to demonstrate the usage of the link tag as well. Moving on to the academic one, this is the depiction of a table, and as you can see, I've made use of the hover CSS attribute, which CSS selector, sorry, which whenever I hover on any row, it gets highlighted, as you can see, and the table is such. And also using the @media, I've made it such that if I decrease the size of the screen, the background image will change. As you can see, it changed from a greenish background to a light gray one. Anyway, so this was just to depict the usage of table and the @media and the hover for CSS attributes. Moving on to the professional page, as we can see, I've made use of a Bootstrap 4 component of list group. So it was a pretty interesting component that I found when I was going through the other extra facilities provided by Bootstrap, and I just listed out all my work experience in a very helped me make it in a very presentable way with a background image as well. So every time I click on something, it contains a link. As you can see, earlier there was no hash included. Right now I did not have any other link to put, so that's why I kept it like this. But as you see, whenever I click on something, it redirects to this one, so I can add any link and make it redirect to that particular website if I need. So it acts as a list group and lists out all of my professional experience as well. Moving on to the extracurriculars, uh, this has made use of a Bootstrap 4 component of a card. So over here, as you can see, I've listed 3 of my hobbies or extracurricular activities, inserted an image for the same, given a short description, and provided a button link. And every time I click on one of these links, for instance football, so it takes me to the for the purpose of an example, I chose the Wikipedia link of football due to slow internet connection. Yeah. So as you can see, it would redirect me to the particular link on Wikipedia itself. I could choose to put it in anywhere. And as you can see, through all the 4 pages, I can access every other page. And these columns on the headers have been made possible because of the grid model of Bootstrap. So I suppose that should really cover up all the requirements that are listed for Project Zero. And I'll be uploading this to GitHub also, so you could check out my source code where you can see I've made use of SCSS using Sass and converted them to CSS. So I think that should be enough. Anyways, thank you so much, and do let me know if anything is required from my side.